What are some reasonable requests after the home inspection? So you've just had your prospective home inspected and the report is back. Now what? You can make reasonable requests to the seller based on the inspection findings. If there are serious issues with the property that need to be addressed, this is where you have to determine if the home is worth the fix. But if everything is pretty much in order, below are few items we see clients asking the seller to fix. Number 1. Fix any immediate safety concerns that the home inspector noted in the inspection report. The home inspection report should list concerns that you would need to address immediately. Number 2. Address any issues with plumbing, drainage, or moisture control that the home inspector identified. Issues with plumbing, drainage, or moisture control may become more serious problems and will likely lead to major damages if left unattended. Number 3. Complete any unfinished projects that the previous owner started. Request any unfinished projects to be completed and ensure everything is finished before moving in. Number 4. Make small repairs such as fixing a leaky faucet or replacing a broken light switch. Small repairs are projects you can manage after moving in, but there is no harm in requesting that the seller take care of these things to get the most for your money. Have any questions about what your next step should be? Give us a call today and we'll help guide you through this process.